토익 빈출 단어 3000개 예문 매일 듣기.
Flood. The heavy rain caused a flood in the town. I had to use sandbags to prevent my basement from flooding. The river overflowed its banks and flooded the nearby fields. The sudden flood of orders overwhelmed the small business. The social media post went viral and caused a flood of comments and reactions.